Channel will introduce to valuable spiritual and mental information, tips and guidelines that will inspire you, motivate you, and teach you the steps that you need to follow for you to have a fulfilled life and be self-developed. What and how to do for you to move forward, or you're just looking for some inspirations, motivations, and guidelines that will move you from your present situation to your next level, either in your business, in your career, in your spiritual life, in your finance, then this channel is for you. This channel will introduce you to valuable spiritual and mental information, tips and guidelines that will teach you, inspire you, and motivate you on what that needs to be done for you to move forward in life and be self-developed and live a fulfilled life. Hi, my name is Myles Munro, and this is my channel. If you come across this channel, please subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Please also invite your friends to join us as we embark on this journey of self-development. Do have a nice day and see you on the next one. God bless you. Bye for now.